the 23 pieces and the 31 pieces. The number means the parts contained in the kit, so you must realize the TRK231 is the most complete one. If you use TRK231, it also combines 2 pieces of tire plant tools, 3 pieces carbon dioxide cylinders, and 1 row C also to present, and 1 piece 12 ml cement, also 1 piece adapter of the carbon dioxide. Also, it contains 10 pieces. It will contain 10 pieces 3.5 mm repair tire strips and 5 pieces 4.5 repair strips. So we added different kinds of the strips in the TRK231, another kit. So you can make some choice when you see the hole and you test the hole, the size of it. And 1 piece of Korean. Do you know Korean? Yeah, like this. You can mark the holes in the tire by use this. And